I know this is on the weird angle, but roll with it, okay? So I think I'm going to go with these patterns right here. I don't know if I want to change sleeves yet. So we're going to take that one out, put her back. These are my options here. Okay, so y'all can see those. The teal behind it, a new look pattern, and it's this top right here, this yellow top right here. It's this collar. And to some of y'all, it may look, easy, but to me, y'all, it has not been easy. It's not been easy. I understand now why y'all want tutorials of stuff, because you want to know how to do it, and I want to help you in that area because I'm frustrated and I'm trying to figure it out too. And that's probably why I don't do a lot of sew with me's or sew alongs, because I'm learning. Okay, so I got to learn how to do something in order to teach somebody else. So, but today that was one of my tips I wanted to share with you. Don't get frustrated. Just keep trying. My suggestion for you would be to use a sheet fabric. Like, go to the Goodwill, buy a sheet, and feel free to cut it up. It's still fabric, but cut it up. And if you make your mistakes, you make your mistakes. But at least it's not on the fabric that you really want to make on, if that makes sense. If it make, you make. But yeah, so that's what I've been doing. I've been trying to practice on sheets, or most people will use probably like muslin. Hoping this is making sense. It probably isn't, but no, I want it to make sense, because I am making this right now. I have the whole shirt done except for the collar, and I'm just frustrated, y'all, and the reason why is because the directions. I'm having a hard time understanding the directions, and this is why I need to go and look for a tutorial on how the collar is made on this shirt, because reading the directions is confusing. And then, you know, you have the pictures on there, and sometimes I don't know the right side from the wrong side, and it just be a whole discombobulated thing going on over here. The whole thing is discombobulated. But yeah, as a beginning, so I get frustrated. I put things up, they end up over there on my rack, and they hang there until I get unfrustrated and say, let's try again. So so they will be hanging over there. As you can see them, they're hanging up now, and they're gonna be hanging there until I figure it out, along with some other stuff that I'm over there doing. Okay, so what's on my table? What's on my table is, let's see. Let's start with what I started working on this morning. I had some yellow fabric that I thrifted from the St. Benny's thrifting bin, and it was $1. Okay, and I think I got like about maybe 4 or 5 yards of this yellow fabric. It was a continuous fabric, and what I mean by this is, hold on 1 minute, let me grab it. Okay, I have a whole lot of this yellow fabric right here, and there is no seam on it, nothing. It's just a circle of fabric. There is no beginning or no end. I'm lost. I don't know how this got to be like it is, because there are no sewing lines on it or whatever, and I didn't realize that it was closed up because I didn't open it all the way up when I bought it, because it's been almost a year ago since I bought this, probably longer than a year and a half, maybe 2. So I'm just now getting to, you know, sewing stuff in my stash. And yeah, so I took the yellow fabric and I cut it. I was going to sew this shirt at first, but I decided to take this shirt and make it into a dress. So that's what I did with the hack of that. And here is the dress. I got to finish the dress up. I extended the sleeves the way I wanted to extend the sleeves. The sleeves are supposed to stop here, but I added on another piece that I'm going to do something with. I don't know yet, but I'll share that with you guys. I haven't put the collar on yet. So here is the length of the dress right now. It goes past my knees, almost to the just a little bit over my knee, I should say. And I don't want it to be, I want it to be there, but I want it to be a little bit shorter and cuter. So that's what's on my table with that. Then I have New Look. These are going to be like November and December soles whenever I get to them. No rush. This pattern here, New Look, 65.27, and these are all from the 99-cent. So I'm trying to sew up my 99-cent haul stuff. So here's that red shirt. I really like that red shirt, and this is the fabric that I chose for this one. This is also from a dollar bin. It has a little bit of discoloration on it, but I'm okay with that. So I'm gonna sew this up into this shirt, and it's a real, like, I think it's almost like a crepe, because it has a lot of movement to it, and that shirt needs movement. So that's another shirt that I'm sewing, and you see my theme here seems to be shirts because I don't have no tops. Your girl need tops. Okay, and then I got New Look 6561. This view right here, and I just picked a solid blue color for that. So I'm going to be working on that project as well. Another one I'm working on, well, it hasn't been cut out yet, but this is a sheet. Okay, it's purple with dots on it, and I'm going to work on this one. And all of these have collars. This is going to help me get better at making collars. Okay, so that's the practice. Here's the teal shirt that I have hanging up over there. This is the one that I am working on right here, and this is that type of collar. Okay, so I'm working on a lot of things that have collars on them, and I'm only going to get better if I practice. Okay, so I have picked patterns that I need as far as tops is concerned, and I've picked things that I want to learn how to do. So if I keep doing them, then I'm going to get better at them. And then I just randomly threw in these color pieces, really pretty vibrant colors. This is from my mystery bin, and I've washed these fabrics. I've got a red, I've got a blue, I've got a green, and then I have this fabric here that has all these colors on it. And I'm going to make a peekaboo dress, and I'll put an inspiration up there of what that probably looks like with all these colors. It's going to be long and flowy, no gathers, just straight, strips of sewing fabric together with some, I don't know if I'm going to do ties or if I'm going to do sleeves, or I don't know yet. I don't know what I'm going to do with that yet. And then, as you guys know, I am working on my jean upcycle. So these are things that are on my table for the month of December and November. So I am still working on this one. It is going pretty good. I haven't done much more to it since I've gotten it started. But yeah, that's what your girl is working on for the month of November and December. Thank you guys for stopping in. I'm back to my regular uploads, which is usually on Mondays. I edit on Sundays because that's my quiet time, and then I upload on Monday. So I will see you in this video on Monday, and I hope you guys had a wonderful weekend. See you guys in the next video. Have a great, blessed week. Do something positive for yourself and someone else, and remember to keep God first in your life, and all things will come to pass. All right, so I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.